So I've got here with me today David Miko with Lifesaver Northern California. And let's talk a little bit about pilot counties. What is a pilot county?
A pilot county is a county that has been selected by the state to participate in a study. In this particular case, we have 4 counties. We have Los Angeles County, we have Alameda County, Tulare County, and Sacramento County. These counties have been selected to participate in a study that determines the effectiveness of the ignition interlock device, or the IID as you sometimes hear it. And what that means is every individual who's convicted of DUI in these various counties, whether it be first, second, or third offense, are going to be required to get this ignition interlock device as part of their license reinstatement procedure. This is an administrative program that is being run through the Department of Motor Vehicles, where in the past we used to see programs that were run through the court.
Now, here's a question I get a lot. If I get convicted of a DUI in a pilot county, can I wait out the suspension period and not have to install it?
Another great question, Joshua. In the past, an individual who was convicted of DUI could wait out that hard suspension period, wait for that to expire, and then go to the Department of Motor Vehicles and get their license back. That is not the case in this pilot study. Because this is an administrative program run through the Department of Motor Vehicles, they've tied this to license reinstatement. And in order for an individual to get their license back, they have to comply with the terms of this program, whether it be a first, second, or third offender. So to answer your question, that was a long way to answer it, but no, they can't get their license back by waiting out the suspension period as they could in the past.
What if they don't have a car? So someone's convicted of a first or second or third DUI, they don't own a car.
We do see examples of that, and what occurs in that situation is that individual goes to the Department of Motor Vehicles, the field office. They will ask for an exemption form, and they will allow them to sign that exemption form under penalty of perjury that they do not own or have access to a vehicle at that particular time. They sign that and they are exempt for a period. Now that does not eliminate the requirement. That individual is still going to be required to comply with this term in order to get their license back. Now mind you, if they don't have a car, the DMV sees that as, well, why do they need a license? There's no need. But when that individual does go to purchase a new vehicle or a used vehicle, they will be required to comply with this term in order to get their license back. It does not go away.
What if someone convicted of a DUI in one of the pilot counties has a car, like let's say their wife's car that they can use, that's registered in her name but not that individual? Can they get that installed in her vehicle?
Absolutely. That's not a problem. We do it all the time. And actually, if they reside in the same household, they will be required. That exemption we were just talking about will not apply. So it's the law reads owns or has access to. So whether it's a partner or whether it's a husband or wife, you would be required to have that device installed.
Or a parent?
Could be a parent as well.
Okay.
That could be a parent as well.
Great information. Thank you very much.
You're
David.
welcome. Thank you.